In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy crypto on Binance. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Binance, make a purchase using familiar payment methods, and confirm that your crypto is safely in your spot wallet. Start by opening Binance on your phone or computer and sign up or log in. Use your usual secure login so you're ready to trade. Once you're in, head to the main menu and go to Trade, then select P2P. This peer-to-peer section lets you buy directly from verified sellers using local payment options, which is convenient and usually offers competitive prices. Before you place an order, choose a seller that matches your needs. Look at the price, the seller's completion rate, how many orders they've handled, and whether they support your preferred payment method. Taking a few seconds to pick a reliable seller helps your purchase go smoothly. If you plan to pay with a card, add your debit or credit card to your payment method so it's ready to use. If you prefer local options, you can pay via GCash or a bank transfer, depending on what the seller accepts. Stick to the payment instructions shown on the order page to ensure the seller can confirm your payment without delays. Now, click Buy Crypto to start your order. Select the coin you want to purchase, such as BTC, USDT, or ETH. Enter the amount you want to buy and double-check the details on the screen. Review the price, any applicable fees, and the total you'll be paying. Make sure everything looks right and that the payment method shown is the one you intend to use. When you're satisfied, click Confirm. Complete the payment as instructed, whether that's with your linked card, GCash, or a bank transfer. After you've paid, return to the order page and follow the prompt to let the seller know payment is done. The seller will then release the crypto to you. When that happens, your assets will automatically be sent to your spot wallet. To verify that everything arrived, go to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot. You should see the coin you purchased listed there along with your updated balance. If you've just completed the trade, give it a moment to refresh and you'll see the funds appear. That's the full process. Open Binance, log in, use Trade, P2P, choose a suitable seller, set your payment method, click Buy Crypto, select your coin, review the price and fees, confirm, and then check your spot wallet under Wallet, Fiat, and Spot to see your crypto safely in place.